So now let's understand how grade layer works inside of HitFilm. So be it a composition shot or an editor, you can go around and add in a grade layer over here on the top. And right now, if I were to go around and add in a grade layer, nothing happens, as you can see right here. Same goes for the composition shot as well. I can go around and add in a grade layer over here and nothing happens. But what you can do is you can add in effects on top of the grade layer. So if I were to go around under effects right here, and let's just go around onto color correction and then add in, let's say for example, curves right here on the grade layer. So if I were to go around and change around the effect right here, so let's just go around over here and change around the curve effect that I added in. Let's say I'm going to go around, add some greens right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around under blues right here and then increase out the blues, decrease out the blue right here to get an effect. You can see that it is there on the grade layer now. But if I were to turn off the grade layer, then you see that the effect is gone. So the grade layer acts as a transparent layer, and whatever effect you add onto it, what happens is that it gets reflected over here or for the layers on the bottom of it. If I were to go around and bring this particular layer up, now you can see that it only affects the background and not the layer above it right here. So I can go around over here and drag it down right here just like this, and all the layers beneath is affected, as you can see, just like this. Grade layer is like a window. So if I were to go around and click and drag it, you can see that I can move the grade layer around as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. And now with the grade layer, what you can also do is you can mask it out right here. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto star mask right here, just like this, you can see that I can go around and only select out certain portion to be graded right here. I can change around the points, I can change around the ratio right here, change around the inner roundness right here, outer roundness, and so forth, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the grade layer inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.